We start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, the only way is to put our entry above the top. If the price reverses a sharp move, we can look for trade. Anyway, the price drop, and even we mentioned even if the price drop, we are not looking for buy for sell. And if we move to daily chart, as we can see, the price almost at the lowest within this range. Okay, that's mean we want to see whether the price, because we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 30 cent and 27. That's mean this is the zone we're looking for. If the price can break, because as we can see many times the price tag and it couldn't break, and mostly even if the price break, we are not looking for the sell. The only thing is if we get any reversal, we are looking for buy. That's mean based on lower time frame, we try to look for the trade setup as a for buy, and mostly if there is a reversal, we can expect to get a really sharp move. And if we move to forward chart, the only things is based on forward chart, we can refer to the indicators which show us the divergence. Okay, but based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is the best way is to look at the chart based on 1 hour chart. And the only things right now I'm looking for, I want to see whether I can put this one as a correction relative to this. That means if I get any trade setup for buy, I will take the trade. And how to look for trade, the only thing is to either we wait for the sharp move flag, and mostly as I mentioned, if there is a sharp move, maybe we cannot get really good trade setup, because if there is a reversal with a sharp move, sometimes it move quite a lot without giving us the trade setup. Okay. Anyway, one of the options is if we get any sharp move, the flag or correction, we take the trade. And the second, what I'm looking for to put a entry above this, somewhere around the 30 cent. Okay, and our stop loss we put somewhere between the 27, or we put over the, I mean, at the lowest price of this move, which is around 28 cents, somewhere between 27 and 28. It depends on the traders where they want to put. At least they put at the 28. And what we want in case the price sharply continue from here, we want the price tag break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. No, were we to put our entry either at the 30 cent or at 0.308, it depends on the traders. Any range within this zone, either they put above here or above the previous stop. It depends on the traders. And what we want, we can put our entry within this zone, and what we want in case the price sharply reverse and we want the price break and continue the price tag we see is not moving, we don't keep more than 2 hours, maximum 2 hours. And we should know that there is a possibility the price tag and drop. That's why we should be aware how risky is that. That's why we should have entry at least at 28 or 27. Or I mean, our stop loss should be somewhere between 28 and 27 cent. Okay, but why we want to look for this trade? If there is a reversal as a sharp move in terms of the risk and reward, can give us really good trade setup. This is the only way we can look for trade. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. Buying right now without the trade setup, at least similar to what I explained, is not a really good idea. But it depends on the traders. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.